I'm Richard Karn. You probably know me as Al from the hit TV show Home Improvement, or as the host of Family Feud. And while I might not be wearing a tool belt today, I do have a question for you and your family. What is potentially the single best home improvement you could ever make? If you answered solar power, ding, 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 number one answer. Congratulations, you're a winner. Or you will be a winner. I know. Maybe you've looked into solar in the past. You're thinking, what about the cost? What about the liens? What about the, I don't know, whatever. Well, hey, if it was still like that, I wouldn't be here. I can assure you that all of that has changed. Solar is better than ever. A solar power system can not only add value to your home, it gives you a way to turn sunshine into electricity. And you know what's great about sunshine? It's free. Imagine generating your own electricity for your household from free sunshine. You can start saving money every month on your electric bill. Plus, lock in what you pay for electricity for the next 25 years. While others are paying higher and higher utility bills, you can be enjoying electricity at a fraction of the cost. It's all possible with a solar power system from one of the top solar companies in America, Freedom Forever. If you're ready to start saving money with renewable energy, then stay with me. It's time to be enlightened.
In today's show, you'll learn how a solar power system from Freedom Forever could be the best investment in your home you could ever make. One that could offer an immediate payback while building long-term value that is virtually money in the bank. Plus, you'll also see how you can switch to solar with as little as zero money down. Over 95% of our customers have switched to solar without paying any money out of pocket. If you want electricity for your home, you used to have but one choice. Your electric utilities are one of the last American industries to operate as a regulated monopoly. With solar, they now have competition. Let's see how this works. We'll use a hypothetical household we'll call the Garcia family. The Garcias currently have an average utility bill of $200 a month that will increase approximately 3% year after year. At Freedom Forever, we've designed a system that will offset their annual energy consumption and leave them with a small utility bill of just a few dollars. To purchase the system, the Garcias put zero money down and now have a monthly loan payment of $150, along with their new utility bill of just $7. Look at that! They've swapped a bill of $200 a month for a combined bill of just $157. That is a savings of $43 a month. They've effectively locked in what they'll be paying for electricity for the next 25 years or more. But that's not the only benefit. According to Zillow, the Garcia's home value has appreciated by approximately $12,300. So let's recap the Garcia's investment. They paid $0 out of pocket, they immediately saved $43 a month, and their home is appreciated by over $12,000. That's the freedom a solar power system from Freedom Forever provides.
You know what's really cool about a solar system? When it produces more electricity than your household can use, it will feed that power right back into the grid, making your electric meter spin backwards. When that happens, you get credit towards your electric bill for the value of that power. So at night, when you need power from your electric company, those daytime credits help offset the cost. That's how you can go from an electric bill that's in the hundreds of dollars to one that's less than 10. I'd like that, wouldn't you? Well, the folks at Freedom Forever can help you do it. Just like they helped Eric Roberts, an architect and homeowner in Las Vegas, Nevada. He's living proof that going solar is an incredibly wise investment.
We live in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a home that's about 3,000 square feet and has a pool. So we have some extra electrical consumption, but when it gets to 110, 115 degrees, air conditioning is king of the castle. Our first summer, when we moved in, I had a bill in July that was over $600 for electrical. It was very important to me for us to lock in what our utilities would be. I wanted to have something that I knew I could count on and I could work into my household budget every month, fixed. And that was one of the biggest attractors to going with solar. Essentially, that allowed us to say, let's put our electrical bill at zero. I think the way that Freedom Forever approached the sale, I was very happy with that. That it wasn't high pressure. That it wasn't, you have to do this today because it's the summer blowout and panels will never be cheaper. None of that ever happened. total, we're saving about $350 a month thanks to solar being on. And Freedom Forever made that possible by working with us through a process that we can understand. Making the decision to go solar with Freedom Forever, I know was a good decision. And not only can my kids see the benefit of living an efficient, sustainable lifestyle, but we have more money to do things that we want to do as a family besides just pay a power company.
Freedom Forever guarantees your system will produce the amount of power we promise it will for 25 years. Our 25-year production guarantee is unique in the solar industry. It isn't just a warranty that your panels will last 25 years. It's a guarantee of how much energy they will produce year after year for the entire 25 years. If for some reason your solar system isn't working, you'll be using electricity from the grid, and your electric company will expect you to pay for it. With a traditional warranty, those costs aren't covered. You'll pay for all that electricity until your system is repaired, no matter how long it takes your solar company to get it fixed. Freedom Forever's 25-year production guarantee is better than a warranty. We monitor your system day and night to make sure it's working properly. If we detect any shortfall in performance, we'll contact you and send someone out to fix it. If the shortfall is caused by something that's our fault, we'll compensate you for all of those costs. With the Freedom Forever 25-year production guarantee, you'll get 25 years of worry-free power from the sun, something a traditional warranty just can't provide.
Over the past decade, the solar industry has changed quite a bit. What used to apply doesn't anymore. But still, a few myths about solar persist. So, let's see if I can put your mind at rest. You ready to play? Okay, myth number 1. Solar power is really expensive. Actually, solar power is more affordable than ever. Just take a look at this.
Between 2009 and 2019, in the course of just 10 years, the cost of solar has fallen by almost 65%. Plus, there are federal and state rebates and credits that might help lower the cost of your system even further.
So, you don't need to be a millionaire to switch to solar. On to myth number 2. You'll have a lien on your home in order to secure financing. That's also changed. For qualified buyers, today's financing is unsecured, so no lien. Myth number 3, having a solar system makes it impossible to sell your home because buyers can't assume your loan. You guessed it, that's no longer the case either. A solar power system can actually help your home sell faster. After all, who would turn down a locked-in price for energy for years to come? But wait, there's more. Solar can not only help your home sell faster, it can also help it sell higher, as in price. Here's proof.
According to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, purchasing a solar power system can increase your home's resale value by an average of 17%, plus help your home sell an average of 20% faster.
Okay, one last question. What's preventing you from going with Freedom Forever? If you answered nothing, congratulations, you are a winner. The only thing left to do is give Freedom Forever a call and tell them Richard sent you.